The Camp Nou project continues moving forward, even after a difficult and emotional day for everyone involved at the construction site. While work carries on, today's update focuses on the remarkable progress being made across the stadium. From the first permanent exterior elements now being installed to major structural advancements in several key areas, the transformation is becoming more visible with every passing day. So, let's take a look at all the latest construction updates from the new Camp Nou. A major milestone has finally been reached at Camp Nou, as workers have begun installing the very first decorative ceramic lamellas on one of the south lateral mobility cores. This is the first section of the stadium to receive its permanent exterior finish, marking the beginning of the facade installation phase. Although only a small portion has been completed so far, it provides the first real glimpse of how the finished stadium will look once the ceramic cladding extends across the entire structure. Construction crews continue making excellent progress on the south lateral mobility core. More sandwich panels are being installed around the structure, steadily enclosing the lower and middle levels. Work is also advancing toward the upper sections, where the remaining cladding will eventually connect with the decorative ceramic facade, bringing the entire mobility core much closer to its final appearance. As each new panel is installed, the core becomes more enclosed, allowing the stadium's exterior to transition from structural work into its final architectural finishing stage. A closer look at the newly installed ceramic lamellas highlights the quality of the stadium's final exterior finish. Protective coverings are still visible on some panels, while others have already been uncovered, revealing the elegant architectural design. As additional lamellas are installed over the coming weeks, larger continuous sections of the facade will begin transforming the overall appearance of Camp Nou. Construction work inside the stadium continues to move forward across the first-tier galleries, where permanent hospitality and concession areas are taking shape. Workers are fitting out the future food and beverage spaces, replacing the temporary facilities that were previously planned for the stadium's initial reopening. These areas are gradually being transformed into their final configuration as interior construction progresses. Work on the playing surface continues with specialized machinery, removing the remaining artificial turf and preparing the base for the installation of the natural grass. Excavators and ground crews are carefully grading and cleaning the surface to ensure the pitch is ready for the next phase. The field is steadily taking shape as preparations continue for its final natural grass installation. Every stage is being carried out with precision to create the ideal foundation for the new playing surface ahead of the stadium's reopening. Activity remains focused across the third tier, where crews are carrying out finishing work on the seating structure and surrounding infrastructure. Workers are sealing structural joints, completing concrete finishing, and making final adjustments across multiple sections. Additional teams are also working around stairways and access areas, refining details to prepare the upper tier for future seating and operational systems. Progress may appear gradual, but these finishing works are essential before the installation of the remaining systems and the completion of the upper seating levels. The VIP ring has now reached another important milestone, with its exterior enclosure essentially completed. Sandwich panels have now been installed around the entire VIP ring, including the remaining sections in the north goal. At the same time, crews continue working on balconies, internal corridors, and facade connections, while additional finishing work progresses around the hospitality areas to prepare the ring for future interior fit-out. Attention is also focused on the seating areas already installed throughout the lower tiers. Rather than installing new seats, crews are carrying out detailed finishing work, inspecting seating rows, making adjustments where necessary, and completing surrounding access areas. These small but important tasks are helping prepare the installed seating sections for public use, while ensuring every area meets the required quality standards before the stadium opens. Work around the Tribuna section continues at an impressive pace. The compression ring structure has advanced significantly, with multiple pillars and radial beams already standing in place. Installation crews are steadily extending the structure toward the Tribuna, where each newly completed section represents another major step in completing the stadium's massive roof support system. Temporary support structures are already prepared for the next installations, allowing construction teams to maintain a fast and continuous working rhythm. The north stand continues to show remarkable structural progress. The compression ring across this section is now virtually complete, while surrounding construction areas continue moving into the finishing phase. With heavy structural work largely finished, attention is gradually shifting toward architectural elements and exterior finishing throughout the stand. Every week, the north stand looks noticeably more complete, demonstrating the rapid transformation taking place across this side of the stadium. Construction activity remains intense as compression ring boxes continue to be installed one after another. During the latest works, another massive compression ring box was successfully lifted into position and connected between the completed pillars. This ongoing installation demonstrates the rapid pace at which the roof support structure is now advancing around the stadium. With each new box secured into place, the continuous compression ring grows closer to completion, bringing the project one step nearer to the future roof installation. The compression ring is now only a short distance away from officially entering the Tribuna sector. With just one remaining pillar before reaching this important area, crews are preparing for another major construction milestone. Once this support is completed, all subsequent compression ring installations will take place directly above the Tribuna. This marks the beginning of the final structural stretch of the compression ring, which is progressing faster than ever in recent weeks. Construction also continues on the mobility cores in the north stand. While one core is still awaiting additional structural framework before facade installation can begin, neighboring cores continue receiving sandwich panels and exterior components, steadily bringing the entire area closer to completion. As more cladding is installed, the contrast between completed and unfinished cores is becoming increasingly visible, highlighting the steady pace of progress across the north stand. Installation of decorative ceramic lamellas is continuing across the north side of the stadium. More facade panels have now been fitted between the mobility cores, while a few small sections remain temporarily open for future installation. With each new panel added, the stadium's distinctive ceramic exterior becomes increasingly visible. Once these remaining gaps are filled, long, uninterrupted stretches of the iconic facade will begin to define the stadium's new appearance. The diamond structure at the north lateral corner continues progressing through its final construction stages. The reinforced concrete framework is fully established, and work is now focused on completing the exterior elements that will prepare the structure for its future role as one of the stadium's main access points. The stadium is rapidly taking on its iconic final appearance. The combination of ceramic cladding, enclosed mobility cores, and completed structural elements is giving supporters their clearest preview yet of what the finished Camp Nou will look like. Construction continues to move forward at an excellent pace across Camp Nou. Decorative ceramic lamellas have officially begun installation, mobility cores are being enclosed, and the compression ring is rapidly approaching the Tribuna. With every passing update, more permanent architectural features are replacing temporary construction works, making the transformation of the new Camp Nou more impressive than ever.